RBI Sydney is an organisation that specialises in data analytics, data visualisation and data science. Over the years we've actually created quite a large footprint for the New South Wales Government, including areas in the Health Department, the Education Department, Police Force and up at the Ministry. Microsoft plays a key role in our organisation. We're a gold partner in data platform and data analytics and have been for a number of years. We've become actually one of Microsoft's preferred suppliers into government, especially into the health section. We actually have quite a large footprint in health, about 95% of the state we're in. We actually work at the rural levels, building competency centres that actually work on data analytics for them. We actually use Power BI for our visualisation tool to give us greater insights into the data that we use. I'm at the Australian Technology Park at Redfern today visiting the Department of Education. Education, we actually have been building a number of analytical solutions and visualisations using Power BI. In fact, we were the first organisation to actually get analytics up into Azure environment and to visualise in Power BI. So our company is actually full of great young minds that specialise in data platform and data analytics with Microsoft technologies.
ArcGIS Maps has a built-in visual available within Power BI on cloud. It enables the organization to create beautiful map visualizations that surface patterns and trends in your data. This dashboard uses a public dataset of car crashes in South Australia between 2014 and 16. As you will see, the combination of ArcGIS and Power BI takes mapping beyond the presentation of points on a map to a wholly new level. You can click on any object in the dashboard and it will automatically interact with your map. For example, you can filter the dashboard by crash type, where an animal or pedestrian was the cause of the accident, see whether it was day or night, or the weather condition at the moment of the accident. Further, you can drill down this information and extract the detailed data that you analyzed and export it to an Excel file.
As we are Microsoft Gold partners, we recommend and use Microsoft BI practices for our BI reports and environments. For example, we use VSTS for all our source control repository needs and do our scrum planning through that tool. Other than this, as a good BI practice, we recommend to make datasets, tables and column names user and business friendly because eventually it has to be used by business. This would eventually be useful for Power BI Q&A capabilities as it performs the keyword search based on these names. Also, another aspect is the difference between the Power BI Report Server and BI services. Power BI Report Server is essentially SSRS along with the Power BI Desktop, which includes self-service reporting capabilities along with SSRS, whereas Power BI Service offers a great flexibility as well as a number of additional features on top of that. Some of the key elements are dashboards, content packs for sharing, Q&A, quick insights, ArcGIS maps, subscriptions and Office 365 collaboration and many more. Also, we believe in sharing knowledge as one of the best practices and therefore we use our e-learning platform called Moodle to host all the information and insights about our projects.